come and join us today at SeaWorld Orlando as they announce a brand new coaster coming in spring of 2024. We're going to share everything we know so far.
Today we're at SeaWorld
for a media event.
and we're going to get some penguins.
Yeah, we're here for a media event for the new Penguin Trek family-friendly roller coaster coming next spring, right?
Yep, spring 2024.
And we're going to get some dessert. All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so we are here for the Penguin Trek preview party, and they've got a little pathway with some real ice. We're gonna go get a preview of everything coming here. Can't wait.
Both taller than king penguins tend to be. I know. My penguin friends tend to be around 42 inches, especially the king penguins.
The penguin. Yeah. Okay, so that's by station 2, right? These are all the different stations. You gotta go talk to them for the scavenger hunt. And then we can see the penguin.
Station 2 right there.
We're going to talk about some penguins. So, what is something that penguins do? Go ahead and talk to me.
What do penguins do, Pumpkin? What do penguins do?
They put legs under them to keep them warm. What do they do?
They waddle.
They waddle. All right. So,
Underwater.
they do swim underwater. And do you know why they waddle? It's because they're actually built to swim. They're not meant to walk around. But they waddle. And that's how they trek from place to place.
That's penguin waddle.
Some circles right here. Alright. Look how cute. Look at these little waddlers. Alright, so take a look at your papers for me. Alright, we have you for station number 4 on your paper.
Number 4. They even had a piece of the track for Penguin Trek out for display. Now they're going to be doing a presentation here in a minute to go over everything, and they even had a penguin meet and greet. And honestly, the kids just love the ice because I never see that here in Florida. So we're excited. We're excited for your ride. I can't wait. Yep, she matches. Like your penguin, and we got a shark. But he won't eat you, I promise. Is he scary? No, he's a nice shark. Just a little bit, I think.
I think he'll be all right.
Yeah, he's a nice shark.
I'm here.
Yeah. Oh, pick out a penguin, guys. You want to pick out a penguin? Which one, pink or purple? It's so cute. Yay. Yeah, it's like a baby. All right, let's do a quick picture and then we'll jump in. There you go.
There you go.
Yay. All right, bye, penguin. Bye-bye.
We got a roller coaster ride so cool, it'll send chills down your spine. It's the Penguin Trek, SeaWorld's family launch coaster, gliding into action in 2024.
I heard this coaster is so smooth, it's like sliding on ice, but without the frostbite.
Exactly. And it's not just a coaster. It's a full-fledged penguin rescue mission experience. You'll feel like you're right there in Antarctica, swooping in to save our swaddling buddies. It's a ride for the whole family. So, if you're a thrill seeker or a little one looking for a chilly adventure, Penguin Trek is the place to be. But hold on, folks, because we have a special guest waiting in the wings. And we're not just talking about fun. We've got the man with the plan, one of the architects of the excitement, the connoisseur of coasters, SeaWorld's incredible VP of Attraction Design and Engineering, Jeff Hornick.
My name is Jeff Hornick. I'm thrilled to be standing before you as the Vice President of Attraction Design and Development for SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment. I am beyond excited to be sharing our first previews of our highly anticipated 2024 attraction, the one, the only Penguin Trek. Before I dive into the thrilling details, let's kick things off with a sneak peek into the Antarctic adventure that awaits you.
Cool.
custom-designed snowmobile ride vehicle as they set off on an expedition through harsh environments in search of a colony of penguins. You'll experience 2 exhilarating launches, a maze of twists and turns, and speeds up to 43 miles per hour across 3,020 feet of track that traverses both indoors and outside. Does that sound exciting or what? But what truly sets Penguin Trek apart is its unparalleled finale. As the coaster comes to a halt, you won't find yourself just walking through another exit gift store. Of course, we'll have the store where you can get all your favorite penguin plush and souvenirs. But no, this experience will culminate with a trek on foot through the heart of SeaWorld's own penguin habitat, where you'll be face to beak with the real penguin colony. Talk about a grand finale. It's an experience for everyone, young and old, to share in the joy of exploration and adventure. And here's a little insider tip for our 2024 annual pass holders. You can be one of the first to ride Penguin Trek during exclusive ride times. Passes are on sale now, so don't miss your chance to be part of this history-making roller coaster launch. This exciting promo video is not the only exclusive that we have for you today. We ask you to turn your attention to catch a glimpse of the actual Penguin Coaster track proudly on display right there, resting on some great ice. So make sure you take your picture before you leave. But we took inspiration from the colors and textures of Antarctica and Antarctic environments to develop this unique visual character. It's a fantastic preview of the thrills that await when you take the first ride in 2024. The engineering prowess and world-class design of Penguin Trek have been a fantastic collaboration with Bolliger and Madlar, the renowned masters of roller coaster excellence. With 5 other remarkable roller coasters already at SeaWorld Orlando, including the recently opened Pipeline surf coaster, Penguin Trek is set to tie the record for the most B&M coasters in one location. Now that's what I call a coaster legacy. In closing, Penguin Trek is more than just a coaster. It's an expedition, an adventure, and a connection to the enchanting world of penguins. So join us in spring 2024 for a one-of-a-kind experience that will forever remain etched in your family's memories. Thank you, and let the countdown to Penguin Trek begin.
We also learned that penguins can launch 9 feet in the air. I loved all the penguin facts that we had today. A big thank you to SeaWorld for inviting us out for this media event, and we can't wait to show you when it does open in spring of 2024. And we always do love the food at SeaWorld, especially at their festivals and their little booths, so stay tuned as Christmas is coming up and we'll be covering that as well. They had some cute themed foods for the penguins. And SeaWorld always has some of the best mac and cheese. Let us know what you think of this announcement and if you'll go on Penguin Trek next year or anytime soon. And a big thank you to Maddie and Lachey for helping support our channel. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Stay up and hit subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel, subscribe.
Click either of these videos next to see more SeaWorld videos. We had just covered the newest Pipeline coaster that opened earlier this year, and we have some tips and tricks on how to work the dining plan. And I'll put our full playlist down in the description.